Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Darwish and welcome back to Darwish Zain Studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a GitHub account. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Once you are done, we will continue with today's video. First, we need to open up a web browser. Any web browser should do it. For me, I will be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type in GitHub, GITHUB, and press enter or click on the search button. Then click on the first search result and we will be right into GitHub homepage. Next, click sign up at the top right corner. Next, fill up a username for your GitHub account, then your email address and your preferred password. Then tick off the box if you are interested in receiving product updates, announcements, and offers from GitHub. Next, you need to verify your account. GitHub needs to know whether you are a real person or not. Once you're finished, click on Create Account button. Next, you need to answer a few questions from GitHub in order for them to optimize your user experience. Once you are done, click on Complete Setup button. Then you will see a page that says, please verify your email address. To verify your email address, you need to open your email account, the one that you fill at the sign up process. For me, I am using Gmail account. Look for the email from GitHub that says, please verify your email address and open the email. In the email, there will be a button to verify your email address. So you need to click on the button and you will be redirected to a new page and your email for GitHub account is automatically verified. Then your sign up process is complete. I think that is all for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy it. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If not, comment down below. If you are interested in similar videos in the future, consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me a lot. I think I'll see you in the next video. Bye.